Hey guys, Jake Workman here. I'm excited to announce a new 4-week Zoom course that I'm going to be teaching. It's going to be 4 consecutive Mondays from January 13th through February 3rd, and it's going to be through Nashville Acoustic Camps. So NashvilleAcousticCamps.com is where you can find all the info. This course is going to target a different key each week. So we're going to go through G, C, D, and A. And we're going to talk about how to play rhythm in these keys, different strengths with chords and rhythm patterns that you might consider doing. And then also the melody of 4 fiddle tunes. Those are yet to be determined, but they will be standards. And then we'll spend a good majority of the time on soloing over these songs. So I'm going to hopefully get you inside my head a little bit on how I approach soloing in these keys and over these tunes. You know, sketching melodies, sketching chord tones, and those types of things. And I'll be showing you a bunch of my favorite licks in each of these keys as well. So, and these will be licks that are truly kind of my style of playing, my licks, you could say. There's plenty of resources for great Tony licks and Doc licks and all that, but I figure since I'm teaching this course, I'll show you some of my stuff and try and really get you immersed in what my brain is thinking while I'm playing as best as I can, and we'll have a lot of fun. So anyway, that'll be the plan for this course. Come with your questions, and we'll have a great time. January 13th through February 3rd, NashvilleAcousticCamps.com. We'll see you there.